Hi, this is Travel Award Search, showing a search on the American Airlines website for flights booked with AAdvantage miles. And the American Airlines website is a key place to search for flights by One World Alliance Airlines. So it's pretty simple to do. You do not need to log in on AA.com. Just go further down the page to the booking. Be sure and select one way. Take a look at our strategy video if you need to understand more about why that works, but it is the best way to search is to do it one way. And in this example, we're flying from Los Angeles to London. And for London, we've just put in LON, which gives you all of the area airports because there are quite a few in London. And we have selected a date that is almost to the very end of their calendar. In this instance, we're basically searching for going somewhere over Thanksgiving next year. And be sure and click the Redeem Miles. And then simply hit search. And usually I search by just one passenger to see if any award tickets are available. Now, once you get this, you have seen this particular date, and you see it gives you a few other dates up at the top. But the best thing to do is go to the calendar, and the calendar will show you an entire month. Now, by default, it's going to show you all classes and any number of stops. And you choose what makes sense for you. But I'm going to go ahead and search for business class, which of course is going to increase the miles and also make it a little more difficult to find flight. And I'm also going to limit it to one stop or less. If you're okay with more stops, you can do that. Now you can see that the entire month has basically the same rate of 57.5 thousand miles. So since we're already on a desirable date, we just click out of this. If we wanted to do a different date, we would just select that in the calendar. But we can click out of that and go down here, and you can sort by just clicking on the arrow. And in this case, we're going to sort by business class. So it's 57,500 miles and $732. These taxes and fees are quite high because this is operated by British Airways, and they charge very high fees and taxes into London. On the flip side, they do have a fair amount of availability. You can see here that there are 3 seats on this particular flight. So if that suits you, you just click on it and go through the process in order to purchase the tickets, and it will again show you in big print what the cost is. One advantage to American Airlines is that there are no cancellation fees or redeposit fees. So you can book a flight and cancel it later without a penalty. They do offer a hold. So if you're looking at a flight and you don't want it to vanish on you, you can go ahead and put in a hold on that flight. And I think it's usually for about 5 days that it will hold it for you at no charge. If you wanted to, say, fly economy instead, let's go back, and you can sort by main and take a look at those flights, and you see quite a bit of availability, some at $237 in fees, and this one here at $50 in fees on Air Tahiti Nui through Paris. American Airlines points are specific. No transfer partners currently transfer to American Airlines. There are rumors that as Citibank becomes the only issuer of cards, that Citi points will transfer to American Airlines, but that is not currently the case. If you do find something on the American Airlines website and don't have American Airlines points, You can also try to find those flights on British Airways, which is a One World partner, and they are a transfer partner of several different transferable currencies. So that's just a quick rundown of how to do a search on the American Airlines website. This is Wandering Woman with Travel Award Search. We hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate your likes and your comments. As always, travel wisely, travel well. Thank you.